more by less into 8, that is 40 liters. How much means that is 40 liters. Clear? This is about mixtures. One problem you tell me the answer. Last problem. You know the method, but you tell me the answer. Two identical vessels are filled with alcohol. Two identical vessels are filled with alcohol. From the first vessel, A liters of the solution is taken out. From the first vessel, A liters, A liters of the solution is taken out and replaced with A liters of water. From the resulting mixture, A liters of the mixture is removed and again replaced with A liters of water. The same operation is done in the second vessel. The same operation is done in the second vessel the same number of times. But the amount of solution removed and replaced with water is 2 liters. What fraction of the volume of the vessels is A? If the strength of the alcohols in the two vessels finally in the ratio of 25:16. I repeat once again the question. Two identical vessels are filled with alcohol. From the first vessel, A liters of the solution is taken out and replaced with A liters of water. From the resulting mixture, A liters of the mixture is removed and again replaced with A liters of water. The same operation is done in the second vessel the same number of times. But the amount of solution removed and replaced with water is 2A liters. What fraction of the volume of the vessels is A? If the strength of the alcohols in the two vessels finally is in the ratio of 25:16. The same problem I told earlier, but here instead of giving the value I gave a variable. Answer options 1/4, 4/5, 2/3 and 1/6. 1/6 is right. 1 by 6 is right. Two identical vessels. From this, A liters is taken out and replaced with water. A liters is taken out, replaced with water. From this, 2A liters is taken out and filled with water, and again 2A liters is taken out and filled with water. He has given the ratio. What is the quantity after two operations here? P into 1 minus x by P whole square is to P into 1 minus 2A by P whole square is equal to, how much he has given? 25 is to 16. P gets cancelled. Taking root on both the sides. Taking root on both the sides, 1 minus A by P is to 1 minus 2A by P is equal to 5 is to 4. Take LCM P. P minus A is to P minus 2A is equal to 5 is to 4. P gets cancelled. Product of the extremes equal to product of the means. 5P minus 10A is equal to 4P minus 4A. P is equal to 6A. A is equal to P by 6. P into 1 by 6 is A. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of the original amount P. 1 by 6 of the original amount, that is P. This is about mixtures. Simple topic, but models are different. If you can recognize the problem, it is very easy to do. Okay. 1 minute. How will my mother's brother's only sibling son be related to me? His cousin, isn't it? And no need to draw the flowchart also. Second one, if A is B's father and C is brother, if you want to draw the diagram, you can you can draw like this. A is B's father, B's father is A. You write down like this. Arrow, if you are putting upside, means relation is like this. A is B's father and C's brother. A is C's brother. We don't know about the gender of C. And C is D's son-in-law. C is D's son-in-law. So what relation that you can see here? There are two persons, A and C. Both are male in gender. A and C are brothers. A has a son B, but C's father-in-law is D. Now what he asked in the question, then the following, which of the following is true? B is A's son. B is A's son is correct. Second one, C is B's uncle. C is B's uncle, correct. And then B is C's nephew. B is C's nephew. No. And what is the answer in this? None. 1 and 2, no? So none. 1 and 2 is not there. Next, third option. A's father has a mother K, whose husband is T, and who has a brother M, whose granddaughter is S. What is S to A? What is S to A? S will become cousin of A.
First question, we haven't decided the gender of B. Then how can B son of A?
Gender of B, yes, it is true. So only 2 follows. We don't know the gender, yes, I thought it was male, but gender is not mentioned, only 2. Second option you can take, second question. Third question is cousin. Fourth question, C's mother says to C. Assume yourself as C and your mother is saying to you. What she is saying? My mother has a son. C's mother is saying that my mother has a son. Means my mother has a son. Whose son is A? My mother has a son means that boy's or girl's uncle, is it not? Uncle has a son. What is A to C means what you can say? Cousin. Whether it is whatever gender may be, cousin. And fifth one, X's father has a son Y who has an aunt Z who has husband K whose father-in-law is M. What could be M to X? Grandfather? Grandfather. Next, what will be the daughter of the woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother be to me? Aunt. How is Kamal's father's mother's only sons, only daughters, brother related to Kamala, given that Kamala is a female? Brother. A woman sees a photograph. These type of problems are important. Seeing a photograph and saying something. A woman sees a photograph of a man and says that this man's sister is my mother-in-law. How is the man in the photograph related to the woman's husband? Uncle? Uncle? What will be my father's daughter-in-law? Father's daughter-in-law's son's wife be to me if both my father and his father have only one child each? Wife. A meets B, who is the father of a son C and a daughter D and no other children. E is the mother of A and the daughter-in-law of B. How is A related to B? Grandchild. So blood relations you can solve. Any campus recruitment you get only one question on blood relations. That question can easily be solved. Coding and decoding while attempting, you must be thorough with English alphabets. What is the fifth letter of E? 10th letter? 15th letter? 20th letter? 25th? Y. In reverse, which is the fifth letter? So what you have to do is, while doing coding and decoding, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 10, 13. And then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Suppose if the coding becomes difficult, if you write in this way, you can easily. Suppose in place of E, sometimes you may take the succeeding letter after E, F. Otherwise, if he takes in place of E, Q means if you want to understand the relation, he may take Q, or he may take R, he may take V, he may take W, he may take U, he may take F means okay, he may take S means. Without any confusion, if you take in these 5 or 6 directions, if you write like this, next question you can easily answer. This way you write in coding and decoding, but here coding and decoding is very simple. 11th question, the first option is the answer. 12th question, indeterminate. Usually how we can write this is, I can climb is coded as 1, 2, 3. I can climb is coded as 1, 2, 3. You can climb. You can climb is coded as 1, 2, 5. He can swim is coded as. He can swim is coded as 2, 6, 7. And then how is he can swim? Same thing he has given, is it not? Question is wrong, indeterminate. Usually how these problems will be solved, see here. First, what is common in these two you take? Climb is common. So round off climb and climb. So what is common here? 1 and 1 you can round off. Can is also common. Can is rounded off. The common 2 and rounded off. So I stands for 3 here. U stands for 5 here. And is there anything common in first and third or second and third? Can is already rounded off. So if anything is common, you can round here and here, you can take. Only common values you can take and remaining values you can take directly here. So here indeterminate is the answer. The question is wrong. And coming to the 13th, second option. 14th also, third option. 15, first option. 16, first option. In this way you solve. 17 is indeterminate. I am fine is coded as 1, 2, 3. I am fine is coded as 1, 2, 3. He is fine. He is fine is coded as 3, 4, 5. I am thankful is coded as 1, 2, 7. I am thankful is coded as 1, 2, 7. Means, now see here, first and second, fine is common. So 3 is common, you round off. I and I is common here. 1 and 1 is rounded off. Am and am is common here. 2 and 2 is rounded off. So he stands for 4. He stands for 5. Thankful stands for 7. So what he asked in the question, fine is thankful coded as. Fine is thankful coded as. Fine is what the value? 3, 4, 7. Fine is coded as 7. 3, 4, 7. So third option. And 18th, first option. 19, third option. 20, second option. And coming to the number series. Number series is important. First 3, 4 examples were given. Examples you leave off. See the question. Always number series means 1, 23, 24, 50, 153. What is the next value? When you are observing, it is increasing in a multiplication way, is it not? 53 is 150 plus 3, 153. 24 2s are 48 plus 2. Into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 1 plus 1. Tally. So the next answer should be 153 fours plus 4. So the answer should be 616. 22nd, 5, 11, 35, 143. What is the next value? How much answer? 719. What is the rule? 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 3s are 33 plus 2, 35. 35 4s are 140 plus 3. 143 5s plus 4. The value comes 719. Next question. 5, 7, 12, 20.